So I'm back with a new review. My hair is getting puffy by the minute, but I have some important news. I got these shoes from Famous Footwear. They're Dr. Scholls platform sneakers. They're called the Time Off sneakers, and I got them in a charcoal color. They were on sale for $19.98. Originally they were $67, and then they went to $35.98 and then $19.98. And the lady was like, "Oh, they're actually not supposed to be $19.98. They're only supposed to be $35, but the sticker says that, so we're gonna honor it." I was like, "And do." So I was like, "Thank you," you know, because I dang sure didn't switch it. So yeah, here are the shoes. And so I really wanted a shoe that was gonna be comfortable and for working and sitting on my feet all day, giving me good back support. So I got these shoes. Let me show you up close. And so they have some nice thick insoles inside for comfort. And so they're really cute. And I'm not a gray girl, but I was like, you know what? I like these better than the other colors. They were like not cute. And plus, these were the only ones that were actually $19.98. The other ones were like $67. I'm like, no ma'am, no ham, no turkey. I know it's not all about having cute shoes. It's all about being more comfortable than looking cute. But as for me, in my house, I need them to be cute and comfortable. So it was funny because the lady was like, "Yeah, these are actually popular," as I was ringing it out. And she's like, "Yeah, they're actually popular on TikTok." And like behind her was a picture of like a family with these shoes on. And she's like, "Yeah, I want to see you in a TikTok video." And it was funny because I'm like, I actually do, you know, TikTok videos. But anyways, that was so cute. That was cool. And I've seen a lot of girls on TikTok that they went to like Europe and a bunch of trips, and they you know, walked miles and miles with these shoes on, and it actually lasts and help their back pain and their leg pain. So I'm excited to see what it does for me. My head looks mad big, but I have my like tripod really low. So yeah. And I'm also going to be going on a trip in April with my sisters, so I'm going to wear them and pack them on my trip, and I'm going to give you guys an update, so stay tuned. Thank you guys so much for watching.